The PeopleSoft Comprehensive Supplier Portal in PeopleSoft Update Image 31 enables your suppliers to use simple homepage navigation and easy-to-use transaction pages. Let's take a look at the Timezone feature in bidding opportunities. Guests interested in participating in your organization's public bidding events access these bidding opportunities through your organization's public supplier homepage. When you first view events, they are shown using the buying organization's hosted Timezone. With the Timezone feature, you can change the time zone to your local time. In this example, the bidding event start and end dates are shown in Pacific Standard Time. For example, a supplier in New York can select Eastern Time from the Timezone dropdown to see the bids in Eastern Standard Time. You can also change the date format using the Date Format dropdown. Select Apply to refresh the page. Now, you can see that the start and end dates now appear in your preferred time zone and date format. Let's go back to the public homepage and sign in as a registered user. Select Bidding Opportunities from the Supplier Secure homepage. The Secure Bidding Opportunities page has the same time zone and date format options as the Public Bidding Opportunities page. The system can map your preferred time zone and date format to your user ID. Let's go to My Preferences to set this up. Under General Settings, expand the Regional Settings section. You can change the date format and local time zone. To activate, use the Use Local Time Zone slider. After you save your regional settings, the bidding event's dates automatically appear in your local time zone and date format whenever you navigate to the Bidding Opportunities page. In Update Image 31, My Preferences enables your suppliers to set filters and options for transaction pages they access through the Comprehensive Supplier Portal. Starting from the top of the Comprehensive Supplier Portal preference pages, there are two new field display options. These options allow you to configure how the quantity and currency fields display on the Comprehensive Supplier Portal pages. Use the first option to suppress any extra zeros in the quantity field. Use the second option to suppress extra zeros beyond the currency decimal position. Below Display Options are more preferences organized by sections that correspond to the Comprehensive Supplier pages. Expand these sections to view the settings and filters that you can change to your personal defaults. For example, when you're on the supplier-facing PO transaction list page, the system includes purchase orders dispatched in the last 90 days. You can change this default value based on your preference. You can set your preferences, plus use additional filter options in each of the functional sections. Image 31 includes two tiles that inform suppliers about your buying organization's intention to award bidding events. A buying organization issues a Notice of Intent to Award when the organization makes an award decision. This notice informs all participants, even those with rejected bids. From the Public Supplier homepage, your suppliers can see notices for public events without logging into the system. Authorized suppliers can log into the system and view intent to award notices for public and invited bidding events. The Notice of Intent to Award page shows you the event name, the buying organization, and event ID, along with other summary information, like the type of bidding event and the sending date for the notice. You can drill down to view the Notice of Intent. The Notice of Intent to Award Details window shows you the suppliers awarded the bid. You can see the notice by selecting the Notice of Intent to Award attachment. After reviewing the details of the notification, suppliers with a protest can submit that protest to the buying organization outside of the PeopleSoft system. Let's return to the list of NOIAs. The Notice of Intent to Award page shows you open notices for the last 90 days. You can change this value in My Preferences. Use the Filters icon to change the number of days for your current session. The Filters icon also allows you to change other options, like the count of open notices to display, whether to include closed notices, what event types to display, and more. Finally, we'll discuss the Manage Contracts documents and Manage Deliverables. Use the Manage Contracts Documents tile to see how many contract documents are waiting for your review and signature. You can view the list by document status or document administrator. You can drill down to see the document and take necessary action. Using the Manage Deliverables tile, your suppliers can self-manage incomplete contract deliverables. Deliverables specifically lists the terms and conditions that apply to the contract and are associated with the verification step of contract agreements defined in PeopleSoft Supplier Contract Management. Suppliers must meet these deliverables to remain in compliance with their contract. Using the Manage Deliverables tile, your suppliers can see and take action on various deliverables. The left panel provides navigation to review and update contract deliverables. Use the Contract Agreement link to see and update the Contract Deliverables Agreement. Select the Verification Steps link to see and update the verification steps for the contract agreement. Use the Comprehensive Supplier Portal features delivered in Image 31 to enrich your supplier's self-service functions and increase productivity. For more information, go to PeopleSoftInfo.com.